Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel and to this video. This is the second from 3 videos, 3 tutorials I will be doing on the same idea but just different execution. So if you haven't seen the first one, I will link it down in the description box so you can go ahead and check it out. And the third one is due tomorrow, so don't miss it. For this one, I'm doing also something like a card or again a bookmark, or even just fun and simple practice. So I did do my sketch, and as you can see, quite simple. I've drew in a couple of circles, some lines for stems, and also left the middle part for writing. You don't have to write thank you. You can write whatever you like, maybe happy birthday, happy holidays, or whatever the card that you are going to give is going to be for, or maybe some short quote or something like that. So after finished with my sketch, I moved on to the painting. First, I've pre-wetted the entire paper and then added a light wash of pink and yellow color. I left it then to dry completely, and then on top of it, I'm painting in the flowers. And flowers, I'm also painting in that pink color, but this time a little bit more saturated, adding a little bit of the yellow, and on top just the brown color. On some parts of it, you made some shadows and a little bit more texture to the flowers. Also, where that line for the text is, I'm painting around it. So on top and on the bottom, just adding 2 lines, and then softening that line with just a brush with a clean water on the outside. And when finished with that, I'm moving on to painting the stems. I'm using this script brush, liner brush, which is very pointy tip, perfect for very thin lines. And then adding some leaves, and as you can have seen, I'm just tapping in with the tip of my brush for the leaves, nothing special or particular. And then adding a little bit more details to the flowers, some darker color to the middle part, also going in around circles, and basically just going around my painting and doing some details, and at the end some sprinkles with a brownish color. And afterwards I wrote my text. This is just a ink pen, black ink pen that is actually waterproof. So if you're gonna paint on top of your doodles, make sure you are using a waterproof ink pen. Some details also on the leaves, and I decided to do a white gouache highlights onto my flowers and a little bit more of the sprinkles with that white gouache, and that is done. I will put the links for the other 2 videos in my description box, so go ahead and check it out. If you do like this video, please hit the like button, share it, and comment. If you haven't still, please do subscribe to my channel, maybe consider joining my channel. And again, thank you so much for watching, and I hope I'll see you next time. Bye!